Hey, welcome to PriceAction Arena. So, I would like to share a few breakouts for this week. So, it's already Monday, and looking at because the markets are negative, I just wanted to take time. If that's giving clear indication that it is going to fall, so I just wanted to get confirmation today. So, despite the market fall, you can see few of the stocks are resilient to move up. So, I think Reliance is one such stock which has closed exactly at the breakout. So need to see tomorrow if this high is broken out. Short-term target can be this, and it can if this breakout happens, then it can maintain some sideways movement for few days. Maybe it will touch the same resistance here at around 2025. After that, it will start moving higher. So the first level of resistance will be here at 2076, and it can go higher from here. So the targets can be around 2306 and 2378. So this is one stock which I noticed as good potential to go up, and you can see the volumes, which are also indicating that the breakouts are going to happen, and it is going to be strong from here. And you need to wait. If you are a moderate risk, then you can exit here and wait for the strong close above it on 1 hour candle, and then you can take up the trade. Or if you are safe player, then you can wait till 2091. Once this is broken out, then you can probably continue with the um, trade. And after that, ITC is also looking good, and ITC is like when it is in markets are in uptrend, this stock did not perform well. But now after the markets turn positive, this like when markets are in almost consolidation or it's moving slowly, then they started to move higher, and you can see that ITC has given the short-term breakout at 214. Now it is trading at 220. You can still wait here for this line to break out, and you can probably take up once this high is crossed if you are a safe player, and see if 1 hour candle is closing strong, and the short term target will be around 234. So this is just the resistance that it might face. This is not the complete target. The final target would be around somewhere here at 263 or 242. So uh, just wait for this close, and probably it might take resistance here, and it will retrace back here and more higher. But if you are comfortable entering the position here with around 30% of your portfolio, or how much you want to trade, then this is the right point of entry once this high is crossed. Apart from ITC, see PVR is looking strong. When the market fell, this stock has also fell a little, but later it recovered from there and starting to move higher. So this is a kind of you can assume this as a yeah, like buying, or you can see volume, sell volume is also reducing, uh, and this is the buy area which usually buyers are interested to take positions here. So this you can treat this. Let's say if you want to still look at this in hourly pattern, then you can see this has formed uh, the flag pattern, and you can see that this is also kind of uh, mm, this is also kind of uh, yeah, this is also kind of one pattern. So trying to consolidate here, and probably it will move in the coming days. So this is hourly pattern, and this can be a channel pattern if you ignore this, and you can be on safe side with the tops connected. uh, yeah, after this breakout you can take the entry, This is on 50 minute, sorry, 1 hour candle, and you can see on daily candle that this is a good accumulation phase which is happening now. So after this breakout, so there is a dual breakout. So this is a perfect entry if you had been here, but we are not. We are retailers. We do not have such conviction to enter here. So we'll take position after breakouts, and you can see that the next immediate resistance will be at 1682, and probably it can go to 2100 in the near term future, like after 1 or 2 months, yeah, even 3 months. So initially our target is 1677. Apart from PVR, I would also like to show my Twitter handle. uh, so this is my Twitter handle. So I post the breakouts here. So I've given PVR, ITC, UPL is one, and Reliance Industries. So I need to show you UPL. It has already given breakout, and with huge volumes. So you can see there is a very good huge volume. Uh, See here this selling. So this is when there was an issue with the promoters. So they have given some negative news about it. So that day it fell so much, and it recovered later because this is a very strong stock, just like Escorts. This is also one of the agricultural stock, and you can see the tomorrow it might, because of this week, tomorrow it might take resistance at the high. If that high is broken out, then you can expect this as a short term target, and this would be the next target that I'm expecting. And if you are a long term investor, then you can hold it for few more days because it's a very good stock. But these kind of events can happen in any of the stocks. So I usually tend to buy it only for short term and jump onto another trades whichever is giving good breakouts. So that is the coming to like breakouts. And now I would like to show few of the trades which might lead to selling tomorrow. Like since uh, we are in uh, let me open this one. So we are in a phase where the market is falling. So I have listed out these yesterday, on sorry, not yesterday, on Friday, and I see that ONGC, Maruti, Hero, these all has I have taken up from the stock alerts that I have got from one of my queries. So that was these are the alerts that I have received. Uh, so ONGC, Maruti, Hero, Infi, I see, but Infi has fell intraday in the pre-open itself. So uh, uh, I have to ignore this if there is any fall more than 1%. So that is the criteria for not selling the stock. The ONGC Maruti has opened just 0.5 to 1%, so which was a good sell for today. And I've back tested this approach. So tomorrow, what I'm expecting, these may not give such a good sell opportunity, but you can try the rest of the stocks here. The Siemens, Britannia, Adani Ports, SBI, LT, IOC. All these one, two, three, four, five, six. These five stocks, I think these will be falling tomorrow. If Nifty is still falling, because I see Nifty has not given any reversal from the lower. Let me switch on my indicator, which will be helpful for me to analyze during the intraday. So this I have already given in one of my videos in the description that I've shared, so you can get it from there. Just copy post that indicator. Now you can see uh, this till the end it is continuously falling, and I see it didn't stop till the end. So probably tomorrow also there would be some gap down, or even if someone has bought it in the pre-open, it starts falling from there. So I think even if it is open high, it will not cross more than this 14,307. So tomorrow I think it will open gap down and it will play out the support level, and then it will start falling. So this is the situation of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I think even this has fell without any buying volume. So you can see till the end it was in sell mode. So stocks are so once this weekly and monthly are broken out, this started falling, and it tried to take break the resistance, but the previous day high was rejection pattern here. So now the stocks which I have chosen, uh, these you can still see if these are falling on 5 minutes candle, like mm, here you can see ONGC. ONGC was falling from the beginning. Like I was just backtesting it, so I didn't take any position. So this 5 minutes candle, after this you can enter somewhere here once the green candle was broken at 9:25. So this uh, after this low is broken, this trade would have been good success. It fell almost 4% after this fall in the after the market is open. So wait for 5 minutes candle and see if this candle is formed like this downside, and if it is moving higher, it's fine. But let's say if candle like this is formed and you can enter below this low, and you can see probably you can even enter here, and you can capture some more. So these are the weak stocks that I have noticed during the Friday analysis, and so those are the stocks which I have I should have traded on Monday and today. So these until this or until Wipro, sorry, this is not ordered properly. Let me show you few of the uh, stocks which are bearish in this current scenario. So one is SBI. So don't mind if you are intraday trader, then ignore this fall like 3%. And if tomorrow market is open, then probably it can go until this high, and probably this high and starts to fall, or this high and it starts to fall. It depends on how much bearish Nifty or Bank Nifty is, and then from there you can probably do not take trade immediately. Wait for 5 minutes. If there is any green candle, wait for it to close, um, like any of the resistance is forming at any of the lines like this on the indicator or on the pivot line, then take the entry after this that red candle close, and you can probably continue this pattern until there is around 1% of around 1% of fall. So I am expecting minimum 1% fall. So you can trial stop loss anyway. So SBIN is one stock, and Adani Ports. Today I placed order somewhere around mm, here, but after that, after it reaching here, market was reversing, so I exited, but without not even 1%, at 0.5%, I exited the position. So probably tomorrow this will be more bearish. Unlike today, it can fall more than this. And apart from that, if you just want only one bank, then ignore ICICI Bank. Tomorrow this will also will have bearish momentum, and ignore Wipro. Wipro is also good, but but it's not falling as much as expected, so ignore this. There might be fall tomorrow, so you can still watch it, keep in your watch list and notice on 5 minutes candle. So this is how the 5 minutes first 5 minutes candle should happen, not like this. If this is happening, just wait and enter at these levels, at the breakouts. These red dots are indication of the previous week breakout. So once this is broken, there is a very bearish scenario that will happen. So a stock will tend to move lower. So you can exit here or anywhere the river green candle is formed at the close, then you can exit there. And so probably today it was strong, but tomorrow it will be weak. So Hero Motor Corp today, this is not for today or tomorrow. This is for today actually. So this is a bearish position. But anyway, tomorrow it can again fall a little. So 1% is assured in this kind of stocks because they are showing bearish momentum, and you can take up the trade somewhere at this point of time. You can take up the trade once it rises from there. If the stocks tend to fall in the 5 minutes candle itself, first 5 minutes candle itself, then it will be a bearish momentum, and you can continue, put the high 5 minutes candle high as stop loss and continue to sell that stock. So Britannia and Siemens. Siemens is also weak, looking weak, and probably we'll see some sell off tomorrow. So these are my stock selling positions which I'm planning tomorrow. So these are the breakouts which can happen because they are showing momentum in the bearish market. So I feel they have some potential to move higher, just like Apollo Hospitals. When the market is falling around 2%, 3% every day, even then Apollo Hospitals tend to raise 5, 6%. So these are such kind of stocks which can show some good movements tomorrow. Those breakouts are crucial. uh, if we had any scenario, like if we had noticed this earlier, then we would have taken trade on 15-minute or 1 hour candle. uh, so even then you can see the strong close is here. So you have to take entry after this. So anyway, we have not missed anything. So wait for this high breakout and you can probably trade this breakout. So please, I cannot post all the videos on the breakouts, and I still prefer to do it in the Twitter. My Twitter handle, you can watch and take up the trades. I post it with charts and the breakout patterns as shown in the video. So this is a quick place you can get the breakout charts. Thanks for joining. And this is my Twitter handle ID. Vamsi Trade. PriceAction Arena at Vamsi Trade. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Do subscribe and like the video if you like it. My presentation. Thank you.